You wake up. You're in a good ass mood. You go to the bathroom, you take a piss, you go to the kitchen, grab your milk, you add your cereal, bang, you go back to your room. You're thinking about all those yam and beats you made last night, right? And you think, oh, you know what? While I eat these strawberry banana Cheerios, I'm just gonna scroll TikTok real quick, right? You open TikTok and boom, it's like you got flashbang. You know, like the craziest beat is playing and your dreams are just shattered. Fuck, this guy's so much better than me. I can never be a producer. I think I'm gonna quit. You're defeated. I'm gonna share some tips so you guys don't quit on those despairing days. So the first tip is stop comparing. So instead of comparing yourself, take inspiration from them. You like how their music sounds, you like how their beats sound, you like what they do, you like how they move, you like how they whatever. Take inspiration. The second tip is be a fan. You gain more from being a fan than from just being like a jealous and this goes back to the first point. Like, it's easy to just start hating on, like, envious and be like, fuck this guy, I'm better than this guy. But instead of that, just think of it as like, I can draw inspiration from what he's doing. Oh, he did this, I like this, I'm gonna take inspiration from that and try something like that. You win, they win. There's nothing wrong with that, you know what I mean? Now everybody's like, oh, that's fucking glazing. It's like, nah, bro, if you like someone, there's nothing wrong with being a fan. It's more helpful than just being like, oh, fuck this guy. The third tip is learn what you like. Pretty simple, but it goes over a lot of people's heads. And find your sound. So this takes some time, and for me, it always evolves. I get what I'm saying, evolve. Get my drum kit now, links in the description. You know, the easiest way to find your sound is find what you like and then think about it. It's like, what do I like about it? Say you like the melody of this beat. Okay, cool. So go in and make a melody like that. Now that you know how to make that melody, all you have to do is just do it again, but just make a little change to the melody. Change the key of it, change the pattern, change the BPM, change the sounds you use. This is called the Virgil 3% rule. Basically, it's just making small changes to another idea, which will make like a original idea. And then if you just keep doing that and keep doing that, you'll have something completely unique. If you really think about it, nothing is actually an original idea. Everything all stems from some other base idea that the inspiration came to make this new idea. To sum up this point, it's kind of just like, find what you like to make. If you like what you're making, then you won't compare yourself to other people. The fourth point is don't aim to fit in. Like, we all try to conform to a certain genre and make beats in that style and use those rules and all this and that, because we don't want to be too like what the fuck is this guy making, you know? You want to fit into like a certain genre or this and that. There's a reason why we look up to certain producers, and other producers are just like industry producers that just get placements, and it's kind of like, you don't really care if they made the beat, you don't even really care about the beat, it's just like another song, you know what I mean? But other producers, it's like, oh, like you actually care about what they're making and you're actually interested in the beat, how they made it. The reason why we look up to those kind of producers is because they did something original. So they did something that's their own and they started it, you know what I mean? They weren't looking to copy other people. They just did what they liked. And over time, it just became something, you know? Obviously, the standing out thing, it doesn't mean making beats in like 6/16 fucking time signature, like something too fucking out there, loony bin type shit. Follow the 3% rule, you know? Find what you like, make a little change to it, and just kind of keep doing that. And eventually, it will stand out. This will probably take way more time to pop off, but I think in the long run, it'll be way more worth it than just being another producer. But yeah, so it all comes down to just enjoy what you're making, draw inspiration from wherever, experiment, and then just keep fucking doing it. Just keep doing it. If you like what you're doing, you won't look at other people's shit and be like, oh, like, fuck, bro, I'm garbage. You'll just like what you're doing, and you'll be like happy for other people winning, and you'll take inspiration from that beat. But yeah, just find what you like and just keep doing it. Don't compare yourself to other people. Draw inspiration. Be a fan. I know this is a bit of a different video. I'm gonna try a couple different formats for videos and shit. I might make this into a series, like a just chatting type series. But yeah, if you guys like the video, leave a like. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these videos. It's kind of like my thoughts on like random shit. And if you guys have a certain topic you want me to cover, comment down below. As always, the link to our kit store is down below. If you guys want to help out the channel, get some new kits and shit. Even if you don't have the money to buy anything, just check it out. There's some free stuff up there. Follow me on Instagram at prodmaze. Follow underdogs.oo. Join our Discord too. Fucking love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.